your broad-based lead gen is bleeding 40% of your revenue. McKinsey proves it. Hyper-personalization delivers 40% more revenue. Amazon's recommendation engine built this playbook 2 decades ago. Netflix taught us hyper-targeting can double engagement. 40% more revenue isn't a target, it's a difference maker. Traditional blasts hit walls, open rates crash below 15%. Every prospect deserves a sniper-like message, not shotgun noise. Generic content is a lead killer, that's a fact. Profit margins erode when you ignore personalization's power. Data is your arsenal. Use it to surgically target buyers. Netflix and Amazon perfected hyper-personalization. You're late to the party. Big data is only as good as your execution framework. Your competitors already deployed these systems overnight. Survival now requires hyper-personalized lead gen, not hope. In Chapter 2, you'll learn the digital channel evolution. By 2025, 80% of B2B sales interactions go digital. Gartner. That shift demands AI-driven hyper-personalization to hold attention. Salesforce says 73% of B2B buyers expect tailored business understanding. Irrelevant pitches produce instant rejection. Legacy phone calls feel like dial-up in a 5G world. Real-time intent signals separate hunters from gatherers. First-party data paired with third-party signals unlocks predictive power. 6sense leverages intent-based lead gen for 20% bigger deals. They also cut sales cycles by 30%. 6sense data. That efficiency translates to millions in saved quota. Imagine closing deals 6 weeks faster every quarter. Compete or collapse. Data-dominant teams win. By ignoring buyer signals, you're leaving money on the table. Chapter 3 covers market growth and financial opportunities. Let's talk about the $30.9 billion personalization market race. Grandview, hyper-personalization hits $30.89 billion by 2030, 15.6% CAGR. Statista forecasts AI lead gen software to $10.5 billion by 2028. That's nearly 3x growth in 5 years. Investors are salivating. VC dollars flood personalization startups by the billions. Rain King, Lead Genius, Outreach, name your poster children. Chris Anderson's long tail theory nails niche segmentation economics. Micromass marketing is no longer theoretical, it scales today. Cloud compute and cheap storage made one-to-one possible. Generative AI fuels dynamic message creation at scale. AWS powers billions of personalized emails every night. In 2015, personalization at scale was science fiction. Today, your competitor deploys it nightly. No excuses. Market share flips to whoever automates first. The gold rush is real, and it's hyper-personalization. Chapter 4 breaks down ROI and killer use cases. Adobe, 89% of NA and EU marketers see positive ROI from hyper-personalized sites. Sephora's hyper-targeted product recommendations lifted online revenue by 16%. Dynamic Yield found 71% of consumers frustrated by impersonal journeys. HubSpot shows personalized CTAs convert 202% better than generic ones. Drift's personalized landing pages boosted conversions 30%. 6sense Client, 20% bigger average deal size, 30% shorter sales cycle. Hyper-personalized nurturing slashes CAC by 50%, and it boosts sales productivity by 10% per Forrester. ABM is the peak of hyper-personalized lead gen. iTime data, ABM delivers 71% lift in annual contract value. Cisco's ABM playbook generated tens of millions in incremental pipeline. This isn't theory, it's proven in boardrooms worldwide. Implement or watch smarter rivals devour your market share. Chapter 5 dives into the AI arms race in messaging. Get ready for generative engines that write one-to-one emails at scale. Gartner, by 2026, 30% of outbound big enterprise messages will be AI-generated. OpenAI's GPT engines now rewrite your emails in midnight cycles. Apollo.io reports 3.5x higher meeting booked rates with deep personalization. LinkedIn InMail with custom insights doubles your response rates. The AI arms race has begun inside every MarTech stack. Content factories run thousands of models concurrently. each message tailor-made on your prospect's latest activity. No more cookie-cutter sequences. Everything is personalized algorithmically. Imagine chatbots recalling last quarter's earnings report in chat, or surfacing a CEO's recent funding round in your opener. That laser-sharp relevance triggers instant engagement. Outreach and SalesLoft now embed AI orchestration layers. Sales teams scale with machine intelligence, not spreadsheets. This is the new selling frontier. Adapt or evaporate. Chapter 6 ties it all to consumer expectations and strategy. Epsilon, 80% of consumers engage more with hyper-personalized experiences. Netflix's recommended thumbnails boost click-through by 75%. Dynamic yield warns impersonal journeys cause massive funnel attrition. Chatbots without personalization feel hollow and robotic. Buyers demand relevance at every touchpoint. Traditional CRMs choke on this velocity of data. You need a unified data stack, no silos allowed. MarTech and AdTech must converge in one AI brain. Oracle, Salesforce, Adobe already race to own it. Your choice, build or buy the AI-powered data engine. Either way, no more excuses and no more delays. Smarter rivals are already moving into your space. Miss this wave and your funnel goes dark permanently. Hyper-personalization isn't a tactic, it's the new battleground. So what's your next move when personalization decides winners?